I've gone to Jamaica and I've secured the package. KFC, the unofficial national dish of Jamaica. So I went to KFC in Port Antonio with my boy and his family, and just look at the queue. I'm here to find out if the KFC in Jamaica is really worth the hype. And when I secured the package, I couldn't wait to tuck in. You're probably looking at it thinking, what did my man order? I got the coleslaw, I got the biscuit, I got the barbie fried chicken, and then I got the hot and spicy chicken. I can't lie, man just wanted to tuck in. But you see, Jamaica KFC, they're so extra, bruv. They had me doing arts and crafts with this paper thing like I'm in year 5 primary school, fam. The biscuit was buttery, flaky and tender. It was delicious. Bruv, the barbie fry was banging, fam. It's basically chicken fried until crispy golden, brown perfection. Then it's tossed in a homemade sweet spicy Jamaican style sauce. It was sweet, savory and crunchy. And then I tried the hot and spicy chicken. The coating on the chicken was delicious. I wouldn't say it was spicy. I'll just say that it was perfectly seasoned, and the coating on it was crunchy. All you can hear was crack, crack. The coleslaw here was sweet and crunchy. I love this place, man. KFC here in Jamaica slaps. And one of the many reasons is because it uses organic chicken raised on the island. It's not as greasy as the ones we get in London. And the fact that they use Jamaican spices and herbs gives the chicken that unique flavor. Hey, KFC in Jamaica, bangs.